What's up, everybody? It's Coach D, and today we're going to talk about making money in 2025. I'm going to go from scratch with this opportunity and show you exactly what you need to be doing in order to be consistently making residual income. If you guys don't know, residual income is the most important factor of anything you do. So think about it. If you got all these cable companies and telephone companies and just any bills you pay, any bills that you are making right now, paying right now, how do they survive? Off you making monthly residual payments. And I'm here to teach you how to reverse it, to put that money in your pocket, to have residual income coming into your pocket. I've been an affiliate marketer for over 20 years. For over 20 years. And quiet as kept is very, very lucrative. What you guys need to be doing is staying consistent with and have something that people need. You have to have you have to be able to sell them um, opportunities that's going to benefit them, for one. All these fake opportunities out here and people just scamming people. You got to get away from that. But if you give someone some value, they're gonna always be a good customer to you. They're gonna come back to you for more advice. You got to become a leader. That's why I call myself Coach D. I pretty much trade forex. I've been trading forex for the last 8 years of my life, and it's taken me to levels where I'm untouchable when it comes to making money on my own. But there's people out there, I still feel that from when I used to be into internet marketing, that's a sector where anyone, no matter what skill level you have, can blow up if you copy someone's format. And if you stick to it, you will blow up. So I went on so this year in January 2025. It's now February, as you see the date. Today is February 2nd. I took the time to find a program where what would be beneficial to anyone that want to try to learn how to make money online. So that's what we're going to concentrate on today. How do I make money online? Like I said, my name is Derek Brewer. They call me Coach D. And I'm going to show you guys step by step how I do this. Every time I get a sale, we're gonna talk about it that next day. I'm gonna tell you where I got it from. I'm gonna show you what I used, what system I used, and the best system I came up with so far is a platform called Super Affiliate Funnel. Super Affiliate Funnel. It's a guy named David, and he's been running the program for a couple years now, and it's working. So I just want to try it out. I'm gonna be my own test dummy, and you guys get to see what's going on before you even invest in it. Or you can follow along and do the little things that I do and do what I tell you that I got into and follow along, because everybody can take this differently. You can get into right now, there's 7 platforms that you can be making money off on. And within them platforms, you can be making even more money. We're not going to go into that, but I'm going to just talk about the different income streams that comes with this one link that you will be promoting that can put money in your pocket. And that's how we're going to do it. I'm just here to pretty much introduce you guys to the opportunity, give you guys a chance to get on board and see if you want to do this with me or just watch me do it. So I'm going to I will say today is February 2nd. By I say next week, February, we're gonna say February 7th, we're gonna continue on to the next video, and I'm gonna give you guys another 8 every week. Every week I'm gonna update this to introduce this to anyone who might be new. But here's your chance to start off fresh with me and get started from day one. I already got one referral. I just set it up yesterday. I set this up yesterday and I already got a referral from just doing this, just setting it up. And I sent out a few email campaigns on some sites that I was already affiliated with. I already got a referral. So that's the whole object of the game, is to present this to people who might need your help. And that's all it's about. You want to present these opportunities, because what we're selling are digital products. And these digital products help people start an online business. It's as simple as that. If you want to help people grow into the online sector, into this business, this niche, all you have to do is promote this one link. And it has 7 different opportunities to help them build their business. And of course, the one thing that people need in this business is leads. Remember that. People are going to always need more people to grow their business. And with that come along, that means you're going to join. I'm going to join. Everybody is going to join that want to start a business like this. And we're going to try to find better ways to build our business. It's network marketing. That's what it's all about. So, like I say, it's going to be I think it's going to blow up, because I've been seeing a couple people that's involved in this opportunity already. And they're already making 6 figures with it. So if you want a chance to, you want to take the chance of making 6 figures this year, let's join my team. Get started. You can join for free. Start learning about it on your own. I'm not going to even tell you guys about it. If you want to learn about it, click the link. Ask for the link below. I'm going to have it on my Facebook and YouTube. I'm just mainly promoting on Facebook and YouTube. And we're going to I'm just going to show you guys how to build a business online. So you guys take it easy. My name is Coach D. I'm out.